Introducing Butterfly Garden Craft Your Life Project Kit. Beautiful 6x8 stamp set there. We're going to have a look at the layering guide where you see two full-size card examples. On the back, the supplies used to create the cards that are shown there. In the center, you see all the inks used to create the image shown, as well as the inks shown in the stencil openings as you work your way through stenciling your beautiful butterfly garden. And next, we're going to go ahead and have a look at those stencils that come that will color your beautiful butterflies, the Zero Waste Butterfly Garden stencil set. There's 5 of those there. Then we have the Zero Waste Butterfly Garden die. Absolutely gorgeous to use with the stenciler on its own. Hopefully you're getting some great ideas for this set. And then we have the Butterfly Garden 3D embossing folder. So stunning, going to be so versatile in your craft space. And it's 6x6. We're going to start on stencil number 1, and we're starting with pale mauve on those butterflies there, those 3 butterflies. Next, we're going to go with jade for that 1 butterfly and move on to cloudy sky. If you want to color along with me, please feel free. I'm following the colors in the guide. Now we're using vanilla cream on these 3 butterflies here. And on our final little butterflies here, we'll use nimbus. We'll peel up stencil number 1. I did use satin masking tape because the stencil is the same size as my cardstock, so it won't stick to the sticky mat. So I'm using our satin masking tape to hold it in place. We have stencil number 2 here with the beautiful hazelnut that we're putting on top of the butterflies we used vanilla cream previously on. And you will see me switch sizes of blending tools as well. You could also go mask off areas in here. Now we're using amethyst for our butterflies, our purple butterflies on this set. We'll move to eucalyptus for our green butterfly up there. And then finally, we're going to have dark night for those little dark butterflies that we had. Then we're going to move on to stencil number 3. There are etchings on the stencils that are going to help you align these stencils into place. And we will get blending with grape agate on our purple butterflies. Then next, we are going to move to the beautiful nimbus on our blue butterflies. We will move to almond butter on our vanilla cream, and we will use forest fern on our green butterfly. Now moving to stencil number 4. We have our leaves on here and some details for the butterflies. So this is where the stenciling gets a little trickier. I'm starting with forest fern on the leaves, and I'm getting close to those butterflies. So I brought in my stencil because I can just wipe that off and I can move it around as I need to block areas off. So if you have a stencil in the set you're using, this is a great way to not have to worry about getting the tape the right size, or sometimes you need that edge right on the edge of that stencil. See that point? You need to have that so that you can get into small areas. So this is a neat trick that I think is super helpful. Now for our purple butterfly, we're going to finish them off with a beautiful plum. You can see I'm being very careful here to not contaminate. And then we're going to go ahead and use almond butter here on our butterflies we had previously used hazelnut on. And then we'll come in with eucalyptus on the one we'd previously used jade on. And that will finish off this stencil, our final stencil, number 5. Lots to do on this stencil, so I'm going to get it taped into place. We're going to go ahead and I was originally going to use my green onyx with my mini blending tool, and then I switched over to the micro, the 7, the smallest. And I'm going ahead and I'm doing all the detail on the leaves. Again, that's with green onyx. And this really does help get into those really tight situations. If you have not seen or used the micro blending brushes, they were built for this. And I love this because I don't have to worry about a lot of masking. I can just create. So now we're moving to the butterfly body, and that we're using obsidian. And again, I'm using that number 7 brush. I do have a specific one for obsidian ink. So we're going to go ahead, and I do miss one of the bodies. We have to come back. I tried hard looking at it to make sure I got them all, and I missed one, but I did find it before we were finished. So that's the good news. All right, so now we're going to bring in Morning Frost for all of the little dots that are on this project. How fun would this be to add our gem sparkles, enamel dots to this, maybe some brush gold or brush silver, cardstock, so many options. Add some embossing ink and some embossing powder. So you don't have to just use regular inks, my friends. Let your imaginations run wild. There, I just finished that other butterfly body we were missing. I just got that. And now I'm adding in evening gray on the little kind of raindrop swirls. And that will finish our project, my friends. Look how beautiful. Coming up, we have some amazing inspiration from our just fantastic designers. Their ideas are always so innovative, which we love here. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your Craft Your Life Project Kit Butterfly Garden. To find out more about Craft Your Life Project Kit Butterfly Garden and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.